Hey, what's up guys? Dylan here and welcome back with another video. This is HTC U Ultra. It's an amazing phone which changed the design culture of the previous HTC phones. You will be probably wondering whether it will worth the upgrade or it will worth buying it or can we use it for daily driver. So this is HTC U Ultra, my review on 2018. So let's get started. The best way to describe U Ultra is it's the prettiest, reflective and the most attractive phone when compared with the other flagships. That's because of its rare design with a liquid metal structure. In terms of the body design, this phone falls under the phablet category. That is because this has a 5.7 inches display which is best fit for me and most of the men other than women. As I mentioned before, this has a glassware design which is super reflective and an aluminum frame gone around it. If I said the rare design of this phone is fingerprint magnet, that's true. HTC producers had made a huge difference and a step forward for this product in terms of the display. That is, they have included a secondary display other than the primary display for app shortcuts, widgets, and for notifications. In general, people say that the demand for this product has decreased because of the secondary display, but my opinion is it is very useful because you can see notifications without having disturbed to your primary screen. The primary display has a Super LCD 5 capacity touchscreen with 16mm colors. This is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for the 64GB model and Sapphire Crystal Glass for the 128GB model. This U Ultra phone runs Android 7.0 Nougat version as the original version, and HTC have confirmed that this is upgradable to Android 8.0 Oreo. As this is one of a flagship phone, this includes a Snapdragon 821 chipset with a Qualcomm processor. This is not all about the processor thing. Camera-wise, HTC is in the competitive market of mobile photography. Even this has no dual lens camera, it is capable enough of getting stunning pictures. The primary cam consists 12 megapixel with OIS, face detection and laser autofocus, dual LED dual tone flash technologies. And secondary cam is consisting with 16 megapixel. And this can be recorded videos at 2160 pixels at 30 frames per second and 720 pixels at 120 frames per second. If you consider on the other specifications, dual hybrid SIM supported, fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, proximity sensor, gyroscope and compass are available, and this has a non-removable lithium-ion 3000 mAh battery. This is all about the phone in terms of the specs. But the question is, what is the release price? Is it worth the upgrade or is it worth buying it? Be calm. Initially this was released for $749, which does not worth for that much of price. But the current price of the market have gone down and it is available as a mid-range phone. For that much of price range that currently available, it really worth. In other hands, I don't think that this has a satisfying battery usage. According to my tests, I only can use this phone for one day without charging as I am a frequent user. My opinion is, if you are looking for a good phone with flagship specs for a cheaper price, I think this is the best fit phone for you. So that's all about my review on HTC U Ultra and my opinions on it. So I will be uploading some more videos on this phone in depth, and that's all about it, and see you later.